Find the coordinates of the turning points of the graph y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 6. You must show all your working. To find the turning point of the graph, first we have to find dy by dx. Three x square minus 12 and equate this to 0. So 3x square equal to 12 or x square equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. So we need to find the coordinates of the turning points. So when x equal to positive 2, y is equal to 2 cube minus 12 times 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8 minus 24 plus 6, which is equal to negative 10. So 2 comma negative 10. Next, x value is negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2 cube negative 12 times negative 2 plus 6, which is equal to negative 8 plus 24 plus 6, which is 30 minus 8 plus 22. So the next coordinate is negative 2 comma 22. So these are the two coordinates of the turning points. Next, determine whether each turning point is a maximum or a minimum. To find whether the turning point is maximum or minimum, first we need to find d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is, we have to differentiate 3x square minus 12. So which is 6x. So substitute 2. So we get d square y by dx square as 6 times 2, which is 12, which is greater than 0. So at the point 2 comma negative 10, the turning point is minimum. Next, at minus 2 comma 22, d square y by dx square is negative 12, which is less than 0. At this point, the turning point is maximum.